Hello everyone. So as Navratris are going on, here I present Vrat special Sago Dosa and Foxnut kheer. So let's see how to prepare them. For the dosa we are going to use 2 cups of sabudana, 1 cup of samak rice, 2 cups of yogurt, 1 sendha namak, and then blend it to fine paste. Now let's make the filling for the dosa. Do you know that Navratri is celebrated 5 times a year? However, the Sharad Navratri is most popular, which held in the month of September or October. We fast during Navratri to seek the blessings of Goddess Shakti. However, fasting has a very good scientific benefit on our health. So, it helps in reducing restlessness of mind and cleanses the body, reducing dullness and lethargy. So it's a very good thing to fast during Navratri, and this way we can concentrate more on meditation during the Navratri season. Navratri is celebrated all over the India with different names. So the yummy dosa is ready. You can have it with some Vrat wali coconut chutney. Now let's make a sweet recipe, which is Foxnut kheer. I have added 3 green cardamoms in half liter of milk. Next, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. To it, add 1 makhana or foxnut and toast it till golden brown. In between, keep on stirring the milk and let it reduce little bit. So the makhanas are nicely golden brown and crunchy. Now we are going to take them out in a plate. So the makhanas are nicely golden brown and crunchy. Now we are going to take them out in a plate. Next, roast a handful of kaju. Next, we will blend half of the makhana and kaju in a mixer bowl into a fine powder. Eating foxnut during Vrat fulfills all the nutrition in your body. Now we will add the foxnut to the boiling milk. Next, add Kesar. Then add kaju and foxnut powder and sugar according to the taste. Add the fried kaju and it's ready. The foxnut kheer is ready. Very nutritious and healthy. So try these recipes in your Vrat, as we all are fasting now. And please appreciate my effort and hit the like button and subscribe the channel. So until now, bye bye.